What's good? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy. Listen, it's your boy Reggie Rich, man. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Reggie Rich TV, man. Look, first and foremost, I hope you guys are doing good today. I'm doing okay. I could be better, right? So with that said, you guys do me a favor and leave a like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below, right? Now, to you guys that are currently, for you guys watching that are already in, Trend Trading Academy, right? Let me know down below. Let me know if I missed something, right? Or let me know if there was something that I needed to add or whatever it may be, right? So leave it down below, right? So you guys that were interested in thinking about signing up for Trend Trading Academy, here's a review. Maybe that might help trigger something in your mind where you can finally say, okay, I'll go ahead and join now, right? So Trend Trading Academy review. I really wanted to see what, because I've seen Joe on YouTube for a long time now, and I've also seen Jay on YouTube for a long time now. And the reason why I wanted to give them a try and see what they had to offer is because, I don't know how this is going to sound, but Joe is a God-fearing man. If I'm not mistaken, he's a pastor. I'm also a God-fearing man. I don't know, it's just something about that kind of, I don't know, it just touched me and said, okay, go ahead and see what they talking about, especially for Joe, right? So that was my reason. I don't know if that was the same reason to you guys, for whoever y'all that signed up already. But for the new guys that wants to sign up and was still thinking about it, maybe this might help persuade you to sign up, right? So Trend Trading Academy, we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna keep it short, clean, and straight to the point, right? Like we always do, right? So let's move on to the next slide. And this is what we're gonna cover. Those are the key points. We're gonna talk about price. Is it fair? Is it worth it? Should you sign up? Should you not? The community. Is it friendly or is it not so much? That plays a factor too. If you have a community that has just people, just cussing and fussing at each other, come on, that's a bad community. Do they cover technical and fundamental analysis? That's another good one. And do they also cover psychological? In this channel, I'm more of a psychological based type of channel, right? Because I'm big on that. When it comes to Forex, psychological plays a factor. You feel me? Because you got your money on the line. You really do. So it's kind of like, let me make sure this up here. Let me make sure this up here is good. Let me make sure of that before I continue with my process and with this journey, right? Are there signals? I know a lot of you guys want that signals, man. You paying all that money a month. Let me get some of that signals. You feel me? And my thoughts on the 3 mentors that they have. Mentors, however you say that word, mentors, or the 3 mentors, right? Let's keep it pushing, right? The price. With everything that it comes with, it's worth it. I'll say that much. You do pay $75 a month. Let me put that on there. Yeah, it's $75 a month, and the last time I checked, you have 3 teachers. You have Joe, you have Jay, and you got Robert. And I think you got somebody else named Greg, but I don't know if he's official or not. But I think he may be, because he taught a class by himself. So with that said, right, is it worth it? It's definitely worth it. It comes with a lot. When I say a lot, I'm referring to the knowledge part of it. And that's really what you need when you're signing up for a course to help you on this journey, this trading journey. So yes, it is definitely worth it, especially when it comes to Joe. He's really experienced. He's a professional. Also Jay, really experienced, and he's a professional. When it comes to Robert too, same thing. They're all experienced and professionals. It's a reason why they have the academy, right? So is it worth it? Once again, it is most definitely worth it. And you can literally learn from whichever one of them. Joe teaches the advanced class. Jay, he's the intermediate class. And Robert is the beginner class. So if you're a beginner, go ahead and go with Robert. If you're an intermediate type of guy, go ahead and take your class with Jay. If you're an advanced type of guy, or ladies, right? Go ahead and take your class with with Joe. So it really, there's no excuse when it comes to learning. It's all in there for $75 a month with the knowledge, and with when it comes to calling out pairs, not necessarily signals, which we're gonna get to in a minute. It's worth the price. I ain't gonna lie, it's worth the price. $75 a month. You can cancel at any time. That ain't no pressure. But you're gonna get so much knowledge where it's like, yo, I gotta keep coming back for more. So that's my take on price, right? Let's take it down to the community. Is it friendly or is it not so friendly? To me, it seems very friendly. I actually did test it out for myself. I did have a question, not really a question, but it was Joe. He recorded a class, but normally after recording classes, he posts them in the community channel, like I think the same day or the day after. But that week that I asked that question, I don't think it was a question. Yeah, I guess it was a question, right? It was 4th of July week, right? And he recorded his video on Thursday, but because of my schedule, I couldn't attend class. So, which is what I like to. Once they record a video, they put it in their community section where you can go back and watch the video. So that's good, right? And for some odd reason, that video did not get uploaded. And it was kind of like, damn, I need to watch like what they talked about. So I asked a question in the community, and within a few minutes, I think Greg was the one that got back with me. It was quick. It was pretty quick. And after a couple of days, Joe, he actually did post the video on the community, so which is good. I guess because it was 4th of July week, so it took some time. So that ain't no pressure. Overall though, like I said, the community is pretty friendly, and everybody in there, from what I was reading, how they talk to each other, it's pretty chill. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty chill. So that plays another factor too when it comes to a friendly community, because that affects people in a way. So we're gonna take it to the next slide, and we're gonna talk about technicals and fundamentals. Now, technicals, it is definitely covered. Listen, you're paying $75 a month for a reason, to learn, for the knowledge. Technical analysis, definitely covered. Definitely. If you're watching, like I said, I'm more of a, I don't know if I mentioned this before, Joe is the person that I go to when it comes to knowledge, right? If you're watching Joe for your technicals, oh man, you're gonna learn. I'm telling you, you're gonna learn. You're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn. The way he breaks it down, it's like it's just mind-boggling. Like, I knew what I was doing, I know what I'm doing, but it's like, I'm like, when he started teaching, I'm like, damn, sheesh. I'm like, real talk, like, he know, the man know what he talking about. No lie, he knows what he's talking about. Just like Jay, same thing. Jay's more of a scalper, but as a scalper, he knows what he's talking about too. I'm not a scalper, right? Because what it does to me emotionally and mentally, it takes a toll on me emotionally and mentally, because trying to time certain things, I was a scalper before, and I'm just speaking on what it did to me before. But these two, how they trade, bruh, trust me, you're signing up for a reason, bruh. Whatever type of knowledge you think you're missing, but you're doubting if whether or not you should sign up for Trend Trading Academy, you should most definitely do it, because whatever it is that you think you're missing, you're gonna get it there. I'm telling you. Like, I know what I'd be looking at, but just the little things that Joe be talking about, I'm like, dang. Like, I didn't look at it that way, or I didn't even see this, I didn't even see that. And the way he talked, it's like, damn, bro. Like, I'm being for real. So yeah, when it comes to technicals, you are gonna get what you're looking for. Definitely. My phone. Yeah. Fundamentals. I gotta say though, I ain't gonna lie, there are more technical type based traders. Of course, they take fundamentals into consideration, but how can I put this? I don't think they cover fundamentals as much as they should. You know, Joe's he's more technical biased, right? I know if in most of his videos he always says that technical supersede fundamentals. Yeah, he is correct. But maybe I guess from me, what I would like to add in there, which I'm not saying he doesn't pay attention to fundamentals, it's just I guess you just got to be ready to apply fundamentals too when it comes to your technical trading. I guess that's all I gotta add on there. If it were up to me, but as a professional, then again, being that he's been in the market for so long, right? I'm sure there's a reason why he say what he say. How technical supersede fundamental, which is 100% correct. But there might be certain days where, you know, fundamental may just make the market act crazy, right? So you got to pay attention to that too, which he does, but his bias is towards more technical, and fundamental is not covered as much as I thought it would be, if I'm being honest, right? So, and yeah, that's pretty much it for technical and fundamental, and I'm just keeping it real, right? Now, if like I said before in the beginning of the video, you guys are already taking his course, let me know down below if I missed something. Put it down in the comment section below, right? Now, they also recommend books, which I haven't clicked on that little section yet. I need to, so I could start reading some of those books, because like the more knowledge you can get from the market, the better. So that's another A+. They recommend books, and they have the books listed there to and they also have the link for it where you could just get it and just, you know, start reading, which is good. So let's move on to the next slide. Woo, psychological. That's another big one for me. Psychological. To me, especially if you're a trader, psychological plays a big factor to you as a person. Because you as a person you come first before the market. You gotta be mentally straight. You gotta be mentally good before you're able to even turn on the computer and start trading. You feel what I'm saying? They do have a few. When I say a few, I'm just referring to two. I've seen two. If I missed one, you guys that are already in that course or the academy, let me know down below. But I've seen two. I've seen two of them that talked about psychological. I think there should be more psychological videos. If not, maybe apply psychological as Joe's speaking, or as, you know, in one of Joe's class. Maybe he should talk about it a lot more to let the people know, listen guys, yeah, we're talking about technical, yeah, we're talking about fundamentals, but at the same time, before you even turn on that computer, bruh, make sure your mental's on point, because if you're not right up here, it may mess up everything. I promise you, it happened to me, and I'm sure it happened to a lot of traders out there. If you're not right up here, it's gonna mess up your trading. As a trader, your mental space and your environment gotta be in a way where it just, you know, nothing can phase you. Because you gotta be, you can't show emotions in the market, unfortunately, because if you do, it's gonna eat you alive. And I'm speaking from experience. You feel me? I'm speaking from experience. So psychological, I think they should cover it a little bit more. A little bit more than they already do. I didn't notice a lot of videos on that. I noticed two. Maybe there might be more. I might be tripping. But if there is, let me know down below for you guys that are already taking that course, right? But yeah, psychological, to me, it plays a big factor. That's my take on that, right? Now let's move on to signals. I'm not a signals fan. Even if they offered signal, I wouldn't take it. I'm more of a give me the knowledge and I'll apply it to myself. They don't offer signals. Now they give analysis. They tell you what they do is, listen, if price break below this level, look for a sell play. If price break above that level, look for a buy play, which is great. Because, you know, in a way, you're not putting, you know, if anything happens, look, this is my analysis. Stuff stuff happens in the market. You know what I'm saying? So I'm giving you the analysis. You do the final work, do the extra work, and based on what you've seen and based on the analysis that I sent to you, then you hop on the trade if it matches what you're looking for, which is good. They don't, like I said, they don't give any signals, but they do give you analysis. And you, as a trader that's watching the analysis that they give you, you gotta wait till certain things happen before you can hop on that trade. And also, on what they taught you in class is how you apply that analysis. So what I mean by that is, Joe or Robert or Jay, they'll send you a chart, and it has information written on the chart on what to look for, right? So if price, I don't think y'all gonna see me doing all this, but they're gonna give you two levels, a level down here and a level up here, and price would be in the middle, right? Ranging, right? Now if price breaks above, which is what they would write on the screen based on the picture that they sent to you, if price break above, then do yourself a favor and look to find a position to get in for a quick 10-20 pips, which ain't too bad, right? Now if price break below, wait for the breakout. If you're a retest trader, get in on the retest. If you're a breakout trader, get in on the breakout. Same thing for above, right? And then you get in for a quick 20 to 30 pips, 10, 20, 30 pips. That's how you apply that. So that ain't too bad in my opinion. I like the way they do it. They don't offer signals, but they do show you analysis, right? Which ain't too bad at all. Now, my thoughts on the mentors. I always mess up that word. They're all great. Whichever one you attend their class, you're gonna get something out of it. All great. I'm being honest. Joe, hands down, a great teacher. Jay, hands down, a great teacher. Robert, hands down, a great teacher. If you're a beginner, attend Robert's class. Intermediate, you attend Jay's class. Advanced, you attend Joe's class. And Joe's class is the one that I'm focused on right now, because I'm telling you, the way he preaches, it's like this man, you don't play. The way he teaches, bro, even if you're advanced, you gonna learn. You gonna learn. So I think that covers everything. Look, if you're thinking about signing up for Trend Trading Academy, do it. You gonna get what you're paying for. Do it. So if this video was the video that helped push you to finally signing up for that class, do me a favor, or that course or that academy, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, right? And let me know what you think. But overall though, it is a great academy. The website is really nice. I'm gonna show you guys the website really quick. I'm gonna make it real quick because I don't know if they would want me to show you that, but yeah, there it is. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna make it fast. I'm currently watching a video right now. Boom, that's it. It's real nice. So with that said, right, you guys do me a favor, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys think. If you are thinking about signing up, you should most definitely sign up. It's a great class. It's a great academy. It's a great course. You're gonna learn a lot, especially when it comes down to technical analysis. So with that said, this your boy Reggie Rich. Listen, we out.